All right, what is up, my kids? Another day, another lesson, okay? Today is kind of like yesterday's lesson, which is why I wanted to do one video for the two. The only difference is today is expressions and yesterday was equations. And the difference between the two is very good. Equations have an equal sign and expressions don't. So all you're doing is you're taking these words and you're just turning it into numbers, okay? So let's check it out. Today is April 29th, 2020, okay? I wrote this out ahead of time because you know I have terrible handwriting. So I took my time, I wrote it nice and slow, so you could probably see it, all right? So I'm gonna do number 1 and number 3 from the packet. All right, let's take a look. Number decreased by 3 squared. All right, what does this mean? So what we're doing here is we're just taking these words and we're turning them into symbols or numbers, right? So a number, it could be any single number, right? So what's any single number that's unknown? It's a variable. So this one I'm gonna call X. Okay, decreased. A number decreased. So decreased, it's like taking away, right? When you're taking away something, what are you doing? What operation? That's right, you're doing subtraction. By 3 squared. By 3 squared. What does 3 squared mean? It means 3 to the second power. All right? So we have an expression, x minus 3 squared. Okay? That's all you have to do. You don't have to solve for x. You don't have to get an equal sign in there. All you have to do is write this. You have to turn this into this, right? So now I'm doing number 3. Okay? Number 3 says the sum of 13 and twice a number. Okay? So right off the bat, sum. What is sum? Why? It's one of our favorite operations. It's addition. Okay? The sum of 13 and twice a number. Okay? All you're doing now is filling in. Okay? 13 plus twice a number. If I'm twicing something, if I'm doubling something, what am I doing to it? I'm multiplying by 2. So I put a 2, and now since it's a number again, notice a number, notice a number. Oh, that means it could be any number. So I'm just gonna write X. I'm gonna use a variable, okay? Whenever you see a number, it's like a variable, okay? And just pay attention to the key words in here because you can take the key words and you can turn it to a number. You could turn it to a sum. You could turn it to an operation. All right? If you have any questions, just hit me up in the Google chat. All right? Have a good day. I'll see you soon.